I'm Dr. Nadeem Sajjad Raja. You are watching my YouTube channel, Dr. Raja Nadeem Sajjad Official. Please do subscribe my channel and press bell icon button. Today I'm going to talk about dementia. Dementia is a syndrome in which there is a deterioration in memory, thinking, behavior, and the ability to perform everyday activities. Usually it affects older people, but it is not a part of aging. According to World Health Organization, around 50 million people live with dementia and 10 million new cases reported every year in the world. Alzheimer, that is the most common form of dementia. It affects 60 to 70% patients of dementia with dementia. Dementia is a common cause of disability and dependency. Dementia has a physical, psychological, social, economic impact not only on people with dementia but also on their carers, families, and society at large. Dementia affects memory, thinking, orientation, comprehension, calculation, learning capacity, language, and judgment. Consciousness is not affected in dementia. So let's talk about signs and symptoms of dementia. There are three stages of dementia. Early stage. The onset of dementia is gradual and signs and symptoms are usually overlooked at first stage or early stage. The person usually suffers with forgetfulness, losing track of the time, becoming lost in familiar places. Middle stage, symptoms become more clear, more prominent. Person becomes forgetful of recent events and people's name, becoming lost at home, having increasing difficulty with communication with family members, with friends, with other people. In middle stage, person really needs help with personal care. Patient with or person with dementia experience behavior changes, including wandering and repeated questioning. Late stage. In late stage, memory disturbances are serious, and the physical and signs and symptoms become more obvious, more clear. Person is unaware of time and place, having difficulty recognizing relatives and friends, having an increasing need for assisted self-care, having difficulty in walking. Person experience behavior changes that may escalate and include aggression. So what are the different types of dementia? Alzheimer, 60 to 70% is responsible of dementia cases. Frontotemporal disorder, damage of the brain of the frontal region and temporal region. Lewy body dementia, that is a brain disease. Vascular dementia, CJD, Parkinsonism. Some medications also disturb the memory or impair the memory. People who are suffering with emotional problems such as stress, anxiety, depression, they also suffer with dementia. Certain vitamin deficiencies. People who are drinking too much alcohol, they are at risk of dementia as well. Blood clots, tumor or infection in the brain also cause dementia. Delirium, head injury such as a concussion from a fall or accident. If anyone is suffering with thyroid, kidney or liver problems, they are also at risk of suffering with dementia. So what are the common complications of dementia? Person cannot eat or is unaware of the importance of diet. So that's why they suffer with poor nutrition. So their health is compromised. They suffer with infections, for example, pneumonia. Their safety is always compromised. They may face some problems, might face some accidents. So death is also the complication. So it is very important to diagnose or identify dementia in early stages, and if the cause of dementia is treatable, then it can be treated, and, and dementia can be prevented. If a person is suffering with vitamin deficiency, so give vitamins. If thyroid is underworking or overworking, so medications will correct the problem. Medical assessment is very important. Doctor will assess the patient, will take the history, medical history, will do the physical examination, blood samples will be taken for lab tests, brain scans will be done, some neurological tests. Most type of dementia can't be cured. Whenever any one of your family member is suffering with dementia, consult the specialist doctor for the best treatment, for the best diagnosis. Different medications are given to control the dementia. For example, cholinesterase inhibitors, memantine, and other medications are also given according to the sign and symptoms of infection. It is very important to prevent dementia. For example, eat healthy food, do regular exercise. If you are consuming alcohol, cut down the alcohol use. And if you are suffering with infection, get medical help. If any medication is responsible for the dementia, speak with your doctor and change the medicine. Thank you very much for watching this video. If you have any question, please write down in the comment section and I will answer your queries. Thank you.